Exit 105, nigga, fuck with us, nigga. Spraga, show what the fuck we talking about, nigga. Damn, what the fuck is that, son? God damn, son, was it a block shaker? Silver salute, quarter stick. What we got right there? Oh, shit. Yang Lu. What we got right there? Big eights? Damn, look at the size of them fucking shells. Damn, oh yeah, you ready, Spraga? You ready this year, huh? Damn, so why the fuck you keep, after all these questions, you keep saying, huh? What the fuck is that about? Oh, shit. What was she saying? Spraga, boy. This is that true exit 105. Come fuck with us, man. Yeah. This ain't it. Just something light for right now, though. It's something light for right now. It's early. Still early. Yeah. Still got time. Exit 105. Come fuck with us. My man Spraga. You see the face.